Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a sweet dish, the very popular carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa, perfect for any occasion and loved across all age groups. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So today we are using half a kilo carrots finely grated. For best results, use sweet and juicy carrots. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter in a pan. Add grated carrot and saute for about 5 minutes until the raw smell goes away. This way the carrot halwa will not have a raw taste later. Using a food processor to grate carrots will simplify the job and also save time and effort. Stir well and saute for about 5 minutes. So now you see that the carrot is almost half cooked. And also there is no raw smell. Now add milk to this and we are going to cook the carrots in the milk till the milk is reduced to almost 3/4 of the quantity. So I am using almost half a liter of milk. I am using low fat milk, so you can also use full fat milk. Stir in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now the milk has almost reduced to 3/4, so it's time to add the sugar. Add 3/4 cup of sugar and stir it well. If you want a little more sweeter, you can increase the sugar quantity by another 1/4 cup. So to make it even healthier, you can also substitute sugar with jaggery. I have tried it once and I also like that version. So at this stage you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, but that's purely optional. Today I am skipping ghee at this stage because I want to make it slightly healthy. Add in a few saffron strands. So let it reduce till the ghee leaves the sides of the pan and the sugar is completely caramelized. Finally add in half a teaspoon cardamom powder and stir it well. So my tip for today, storing carrots with potatoes, apples or any ethylene gas producing vegetables or fruits shortens their shelf life and also makes them taste bitter. Add in some fried cashews. You can fry it in a teaspoon of ghee. You can also add other nuts like almonds and pistachios. So the carrot halwa is done. Turn off the heat and this is the color you're looking for. You can refrigerate this halwa and use it for about a week and enjoy. So delicious carrot halwa is ready to be served. Enjoy with your family. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. It's me Padma signing off. Bye bye and take care.